喂，大家好，我係 Benson。今日呢係最後一次練習啦，所以呢我都係要講下呢啲練習係點樣做出嚟嘅，即係佢哋嘅意思係點樣。呢個第一條題目就係 Drama students are selling snacks during one of the shows. Pop cans sell for $0.75 each. The bags of chips sell $1.75 each. Ask the college how many pop cans and how many bag of chips would like. 呢個就係咧話，就係要先問呢個 user 呢個就 how many pop cans 我漏咗，然後咧第二個就係要嗰個 user 去打入一個數字啦，就係 numbers of pop cans 嗰個罐裝可樂嘅數量啦。然後再 display the user how many bags of chips do you want， 然後再叫個 user 打嗰個數字啦，都係有條數量啊，係薯片嘅袋數啦，然後再計數一下個 total cost 就係呢個數目，睇個 pop can 數目乘以0.751蚊，然後再用 bag of chips 就1.75蚊乘佢，然後加喺呢度係total cost。然後第二條題目就 single cup 就係問仲有幾多個人，然後再 total cost 乘以呢個 number of people 啦，就係呢幾個人一齊嘅 total cost。呢邊第三條題目就係呢個關於數字嘅 generate a random number from 1 to 10 series number， 就係要估一個數啦，如果要去估啦，然後如果你去估嘅係呢個數啊，就係啱嘅；如果唔係嘅話就係錯嘅，直接跳過呢個。升級版本嘅呢個第五條咪就係同數學三個函數有關嘅。我三個函數就比較好啦，所以就係做得出。Display to the user what is the a value of the right angle triangle， 就係佢要嗰個 user 可以打入呢個 a value 啦，然後就係 ask the user to input the value, save it as number one。就 a value 讓佢打入去嗰個數目啦，然後 display to the user what is the b value， 就係叫佢打呢個 b value 就係咁啦，然後 c 條平方就係 number one， 就係 a value 平方係 number two 平方，然後就係嗰個 hypotenuse 啦。C， 然後就係 calculate C value， calculate， 所以唔好急啊，大家。然後呢 display 要做散佢。hypotenuse yes， 呢個打錯啦。然後再加呢個 number three。咁啦，然後第六條題目我就唔多講啦。呢個第七條我哋啱啱做㗎，就係 display to user enter the months 1 to 12， 就係呢個月份嘅數啦。就係而家係2月份，譬如話 或者係3月份、4月份都好啦。input the month，然後再如果打入呢個年份啦，就係例如今年2026年，唔係2026，我講得太快，應該慢啲都可以。If month equals to 1, 3, 6, 7, 8, 10 or 12, then days equals 31，就係1月份、3月份、6月份、7月份、8月份、10月份、12月份啦，係31日。但係如果你4月、6月、9月或者11月就係30日啦。If month is February, then it's a leap. Then if it's leap year, then day equals 29. I'll stay to 28. 就係話啦，今年係28日嘅2月份啦，所以然後再計埋呢幾個月嘅日數啦，就係呢年嘅有幾個日啦，有啲日子啦。最後一條題目就係問緊佢要問呢個人，佢要食幾多片 pizza 啦？一片就係300個卡路里啊嘛，然後佢要係500卡路里燒咗，要行1個鐘，所以就係設計咗一個編程嘅代碼啦，就係話先問呢個 user 佢要食幾多片 pizza，然後再叫佢打入呢個數字啦，就係 numbers of pizza， 然後計呢個 calories eaten 就係食完嘢攝入嘅卡路里啦，然後就係呢個 numbers of slice of pizza， 佢就食嗰個 pizza 啦，數量乘以300，大概攝入嗰個卡路里啦，然後再計呢個要行嘅幾多時間，唔係呢個會消耗嘅卡路里，喺呢個攝入嘅除以呢個每1分鐘嘅嗰個卡路里數啦。Display to user, you need to walk plus minute to walk plus minutes， 就係咁樣噶。就係呢個 minute to walk 就係你要行幾多分鐘，其實呢個 minute 係唔需要噶，就係咁啦。所以今日嘅代碼講解就到呢度，希望大家鍾意，拜。